How to switch between tabs in Brave browser. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can switch between tabs in Brave browser. So switching between tabs in Brave browser is very simple. Just follow me as I show you in this tutorial. Now the first thing to do is to ensure you have the Brave browser installed on your PC, and then once you have it installed, just click on the app or the browser to launch it. And once you've launched the browser, you will be brought to the browser's page. On this page, you'll see a tab, all right, a current tab, and then in this tab, just go ahead and search for what you want to search. For example, this, click on enter, and then you wait for it to load. So once it has loaded and you've seen what you want, and perhaps you want to go to another browser, all you need to another tab, just go to the top part of the screen and then click on the plus icon that you can see. Once you click on this plus icon, you will be shown another tab. So in this option, type out the next thing that you want to search for. All right, so this is it. This is the next screen, and then for you to switch between both tabs, just go back to the other side of the screen where the tab is displayed, then click on it, and then to switch again, go back. And you can do this for a variety of tabs that you want to. So this is how you can switch between tabs in Brave browser. Very easy and very simple. So go ahead and try it out today. Thanks for watching.